Hi everybody, it's Debbie here and welcome back to My Crafty Den. If you're new here, then thank you so much for joining me. And if you like what you see, please consider sticking around and joining my YouTube family. Just hit that subscribe button. And if you're a returning subscriber, then welcome back. Thank you very much for joining me today, and I really appreciate each and every one of you, your comments, your likes, your shares, and everything that you do to help me grow my channel. So this is a Dollar Tree haul, as I mentioned, and I am going to show you first some of the Christmas supply items that I picked up. There's not very many of them, but there's a few, and I picked up most of this stuff to use for DIY. And I have to get started on my holiday DIYs here very soon. So the first two items I picked up were these wall ornaments, these wall hangers. What do they call these things? They just call them house decor. And these, I've been watching people DIY these, and there are so many different ways to use them. And these two are absolutely as cute as buttons, just the way they are. But I want to turn them into a little bit more farmhouse style decor. And I love the tops. I love the little metal pieces they put on the tops of these ornaments to give them such a realistic look. They are adorable, and you can't beat the price, which is $1.25 for everything that I got, every item, because I shop Dollar Tree here in Canada. So that's those two. And then I picked up this. Let's see if I can get it untangled here. This ornament decoration. It's a little bit bent, but it's plastic, so I can fix that. That's okay. But I picked up this. I've seen so many people use this ornament for wreaths and different things that I wanted to take a peek at it. But when I haven't noticed before from anybody else showing it, that this is very 3D. This has a lot of depth like that. There's a lot there. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the middle one is 7 different layers plus the gems on these. So I'm thinking that if you take this apart, it will give you a lot of snowflake pieces to use on some of your DIYs. So I'm going to try that and see what happens. I picked up a couple of these bottle brush trees. White's not usually my thing, but I couldn't find the green ones at this Dollar Tree I was at. I'm going to have to try again because I do want some of the green bottle brush trees. I think I have a couple left over from last year, but I don't think there's many. And all I found was these ones. I'm pretty sure they'll probably restock those. So I'll have to give it a try and look again. I picked up 2 of these. Aren't they gorgeous? So close up, this is what these look like. They have the little sprig of greenery, the bell, and the 2 little red balls on here. It's the back like a mounted deer head, so it sits like this. Excuse that thumbnail. I need to fix it. I broke it off and did a bunch of damage to it. So, yeah, but this is absolutely adorable. And there were a few things that I was thinking that I might be able to do with these. I just love the woodland decor that they have. I picked up this. This is absolutely gorgeous. This fell off in the bag, but I can stick it back on. And it is absolutely adorable. It's a little sled. And the seat is a snowman. And I think it looks just adorable the way it is, even right down to the little jute twine pull handle on it. And this is so cute that I don't think I'm going to DIY it at all. I am just going to put it onto my 3-tiered tray for Christmas the way it is. I picked up one of these. I fully intended on doing a DIY with one of these last year and couldn't find them anywhere. And this year I found a whole bunch of them. So I plan on doing the idea that I had last year, this year. I've seen a lot of people doing it. I'm going to put my spin on it. And yeah, these are just a right size. They're only about 5 inches long and maybe not quite 4 inches tall, I think. A couple inches deep. These are adorable and the perfect size for a little DIY ornament piece of decor. And the last bit of stuff that I picked up for Christmas ornament making are 2 packages of these canning snap lids. These are perfect, absolutely perfect. You could cut out a whole bunch of little cardboard rounds and do this, but why do that when you have these nice solid little lids that you can use to make ornaments out of? I think they come in so handy at this time of the year. Okay, the next round is crafting supplies. I picked up another package of these tumbling tower games, and they're just teeny tiny little versions of the regular Jenga blocks, and so great. Everybody that DIYs uses these for all kinds of different things, and yeah, I want to do a couple of them too. I picked up, this was a necessity. I picked up 3 packages of this tape runner. I love this tape runner. There's over 22 feet in each roll, and it's perfect for my planners and paper crafting. So 3 more packages of that. I'm even wondering why I only got 3, because I may go through a lot of it throughout the Christmas period doing paper crafting. And I picked up one of these permanent markers. I've been buying the large, regular permanent, the black permanent markers, and they're fairly pricey, the magic marker. And this one looks like it would be fairly easy to use, and it's a chisel tip, which is what I need when I'm crafting. And so I'm going to give that one a try and see if I can save some money. And I'm also going to give this a try, the adhesive Fix-All cement. I am going to give this a try and see if it works any better or any worse than E6000. Now, I don't think, some people are saying that this works as good or better than E6000, and I don't think that I would trust anything but E6000 for my glass upcycling projects that I use, that I keep outside. Some things stay out there year round, and I live in central Ontario in Canada, and we have some pretty hairy weather here, so it withstands high temperatures and very, very low temperatures. But I think this would be really good for those glass projects that are staying indoors. So I think this would be perfect for that, and I'm going to give it a shot and see if I can save some money on the E6000. And the next part of this haul is a few glass pieces. I picked up this piece. So I picked up this fishbowl style vase. Everybody's seen these at their Dollar Trees. I've picked up this vase. It's about 8 inches high. It has this, it's kind of the shape of an oriental vase, but it has this nice roly-poly shape that I like, and I have an idea for that. And I picked up this tiny little tea light holder. It's just a little candle holder, very cute, and I have something in mind for this. I would have rather been able to find something that wasn't glass for this project, but I don't have small children that will be touching this. To do this, the project that I do with this, I wouldn't use glass if I had small children in my house all the time. So, or I'd just put it up high somewhere. And that's that for my crafting supplies. except for I picked up a bunch of knits and fabric pieces. So I picked up 3 pairs of these little athletic socks. Want to use those. I picked up this knit headband. It's cute. It's got little sequins on it. It's cute. It really, really is. But I don't think it'll make a great headband. I mean, it's really stretchy this way, so I think it would kind of stretch and fall off your head way too easy. But it's not stretchy this way. It's good and solid that way. And it is a tube. See, it's a tube. So it could be used for so many different things, and I have some ideas for that. I picked up some gloves. I picked up these, they're called Lurex. They're kind of a stretchy, but they've got metallic thread through them, which I think they're really pretty. So I don't think I'd wear these outside in the wintertime because I don't think they'd keep, I don't think anything with a metallic thread in it would keep your hands very warm. That's just my opinion. But for crafting, I think these will be great. I picked up a pair of these fluffy gloves. These are those really nice fluffy gloves. But look at these ones. And oh, it is. The light's picking this up good. Look at the shine in these ones. I have no idea what they're made out of. They're just as soft as the fluffy gloves always are. But they shine, and I think they'll be really cute for a DIY. And then I picked up a pair to wear. These are called Magic Gloves with grippers. The palms of these have little rubber grippies on them. These are going to be perfect for driving the car in those really cold, frosty mornings. So those are going in my car. And scarves. I picked up, this is the men's scarf, fleece scarf, and it is the black and white buffalo check scarf. And I picked up 2 of these. Just so cute. I actually thought I got 3, but there's only 2 here. So I just miscounted or put one back when I didn't mean to. And I picked up 3 of the women's. So 1, 2, 3. The women's fleece scarves, they're exactly the same scarf, exactly the same length, except for these ones are the red and black. So I don't know why the men get the black and white ones and we get the red and black ones. Personally, I would have done it the other way around. I just think that this is much more lumberjacky and would be great in a men's jacket. But I mean, I do have a red and black buffalo check purse, so I'm not complaining. And that's why I got the extra one. I thought it'll go with that. And I picked up 2 of them to do DIYs. So that's it. That's my whole haul. I hope you enjoyed it all. And I certainly hope that you'll come back and join me again. And if you're not already a subscriber, please consider hitting the subscribe button and joining my YouTube family. You would come back then and see what I'm doing with all of these things. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a fabulous day, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye-bye for now.